this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Overwatch 2 general error 0xE00101B0. Now, the way that we can fix this is first you want to try and open up Battle.net, come here and scan and repair. Once you've done that, check if it works, and if it's still not working, it's probably because you're having some kind of antivirus that's blocking it. So the first thing we want to try is come here and search for firewall. First we're gonna allow Overwatch for our firewall. So click here, allow an app, change settings, press O, and look if you have Overwatch in here. If you have it, check this, and this. So all three are checked. And if you don't have it in here, we need to allow it. So search for Overwatch anywhere, right click, open file location, then do it again. Now you should be at the Overwatch launcher. So what you want to do is you want to come here and allow another app, browse, come up here, Control C, come in here, Control V, press enter, and allow the launcher. Once you've done that, like I said, make sure it's checked all three. Now, if you've done this and it's still not working, you might have some sort of antivirus installed like Norton Security, McAfee, any of these. Now try and disable that. You can also try and disable the Windows Defender. Just try and disable it, run the game, and then you can just enable it after you've run the game. Now that's basically how you can fix this problem, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.